And while COVID-19 is causing changes to several festivals across Texas, breaking tonight, Spring at the Silos is now added to that list of events that won't happen. We're continuing coverage with a look at how it's affecting flagship tourist attractions right here in Waco. Fox 44's Kendall Green, he joins us live in Waco. Kendall, you've talked to some directors at popular tourist stops in town. What are they saying tonight?
Adam, they're saying that they're not going to pump the brakes not too fast, and they're going to just make sure that they're preventing the virus, but at the same time, they're going to keep their doors open and not close them anytime soon. Tourist venues in Waco, like the Dr. Pepper Museum, the Cameron Park Zoo, and the Texas Ranger Museum, normally see a large increase of guests around this time of year. Even with the rise of fear nationally and statewide concerning COVID-19, the spring break rush for these venues is consistent with what they've seen in recent years. For some, they've even seen an increase in guests.
Our numbers for the month of March have been actually a little bit up over last year.
The director at the Texas Ranger Museum says they've taken a standard precaution to prevent the spread of germs at their museum, but overall they don't see any reason to limit their services.
The city of Waco really has had no closures. All the public events have been going on as planned, and so at this stage we haven't received any kind of information that has suggested we ought to be looking at it either abbreviating or closing at this point in time.
At the Dr. Pepper Museum, they've added more resources to their staff to ensure cleanliness at the museum.
We've hired, additional custodial staff, but those are all things that we were planning to do and would do anyways, just because of the increase in people in the museum this time of year.
The Cameron Park Zoo, who officials predict have seen upwards of 3,500 guests just today, say they have every reason to be alert, however, no reason at all to panic.
All of us have to be responsible and realize that coronavirus could have an impact on business at some point. I honestly am not seeing it right now.
And like the staff at the Dr. Pepper and Texas Ranger Museum, they say they're doing all they can to keep their facility clean, as well as provide their guests with the means to keep themselves clean also.
We have initiated additional cleaning more often throughout the day. We have hand sanitizers at pretty much any place that you walk around, from any of the food trucks to the tables out front to cafe. We have hand sanitizers spread throughout the zoo that we're making sure is staying filled.
Now, for the thousands who have been upset by the close of the Spring of Silos, the canceling of that event, there are options here in Waco. And if anything changes, we will definitely get you those details as they develop. But for now, live in Waco, Kendall Green, Fox 44 News.